Congratulations sa Ginong.
Oh, magpapahuli ba ang susunod na pares natin yung gabi?
Tawagin na natin ha. Corner!
Action!
Hey, what are you doing? I didn't expect you home, so.
I'm surprising you. I got cake and wine. Cake and wine? Where are you going?
I have to go, though. I have to go. Sorry, I have something to
You have
be.
to go. Where could you... It's 9:30.
I just have to go.
Where are you going?
I don't know how to tell you, but I have to go. I have a plan. I wish you could trust me. I can't tell you.
How am I supposed to trust you when you're all dressed up at 9:30 and you've got to go somewhere on our Metsuri? It's our Metsuri.
Metsuri?
It's the anniversary of the JV Mets. Hindi mo ba alam? Metsuri natin na yan. Nakapuro makapas. Saan ka pupunta?
I'm sorry, but I really have to go do this. It's really important. I don't know how to tell you this. I don't know how to.
Hindi mo na kailangan sabihin. Alam ko na. Halata. May iba ka.
I don't know how to break this to you. I mean, it's been on the back of my mind for a while now, and I
Alam mo, aminin mo na. At aalis ako. Hindi na kita kukulitin.
I don't want to do this to you. I can't do this right now. I don't want to do this.
Aalis ako. Hindi na kita kukulitin. Hindi kita tatawagan. Wala. Walang kwentang lalaki. Hindi kita gay. Inibigyan kita. Minahal kita ng buo. At ayaw mo sabihin harap-harapan na may iba ka.
This isn't how I wanted this to go.
I'll go.
This is just... No, wait. Just one more...
Alam mo, Tanner, wag na. Alam mo, hindi ko na kailangan to.
There's a plan for us tonight.
Alam mo kung pwedeng gawin. Marami pa akong lalaki yung pwedeng makilala ko. Hindi ka ganun magmahal, ha?
This is for you and me. I had a plan tonight.
Alam ko, pakitaglan mo.
I had to be there before you, but since you wouldn't allow that... Will you marry me? Seryoso?
Wala kang iba?
Siyempre.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for you.
Pag pala nahuli ang lalaki at may ready sing-sing.
Oo, yan.
Ayun, corner, kuya. Grabe. Parang nasa Hollywood star yung sa kanila na level.
Corner. I really like what you guys did with your scene. At first, I couldn't understand why Tanner was smiling the whole time when you were getting mad at him.
Yeah.
I didn't understand until the end. So nagulat ako. And I like that you guys have that surprise factor because it works for you.
Yeah.
And
I felt you a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was like so into it. Even the sayang lang, like, she was ranting. Maganda sana na nakaluhod ka na. So, galit na galit pag sa ganun ka na.
Nakaganan na para mas nakakakilig. Kasi once you prolong something, everybody's gonna be waiting, and then when it finally happens, parang...
they already know it's gonna happen.
They already knew it was gonna happen.
Because
and
I have a plan.
surprising them all of a sudden.
That's it, but it was nice.
The rest was beautiful.
Yeah, it was nice. It was really nice.
Tingnan naman natin kung anong pasabog nung susunod nating pares. Tawagin na natin ang Macklist!
Ellie! Oh, nasayaw mo naman. Surpresa ako sa'yo. Good. May sabihin ako sa'yo. Tuwa ka. Oo, tuwa ako. Okay, alam mo. Teka lang, hindi ko pigilan eh. Ano ba yan? Ano na? Ako na wala. Alam mo ba, sabihin ako sa'yo. Huwag ka magulat. Ano nga? Dalian mo na. Parang may excite din ako. Ba, nakapasa ako sa PBB. Nakapasok ako. Oo. Ikaw din, di ba? Nakapasok ka din. Oo. Ngayon naman, nakapasa ako sa visa. Mag-aaral ako din mag-job! Well, tagal mo ng pangarap yun. Siguro, gagawin ko dun. Mag-aaral ako. Tapos, pupunta ako sa mga attraction nila. Tapos, di ko na alam gagawin ko sa kinakabahan ako. Matutulog ba ako o mag-play? Ewan ko, wala na. Basta, ito na yung pangarap ko. Ano oras na? Ha? Mag-impakil ako kasi bukas na yung side ko eh. Ingat ka. Bukas? Sige na. Mag-impakil ako mamaga ha? Okay.